What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. This is Brian at Austin Detailing. We got a little quarter glass Wednesday, baby. Gonna do the little quarter dance. La 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 la. Come on in. Let me show you what we got going on. Really fun, exciting. Man, we're gonna make a lot of progress with this. This is our first huge shipment. We have about 70 Teslas that need parts. We got over $50,000 that hopefully should be here by the end of the week. Got a ton of glass, got a ton of moldings. Got to replace when you got to replace this molding, you got to replace the glass too. That's why we call it Quarter Glass Wednesday, baby. So we got all kinds of crazy stuff. I'm gonna put this back up in here. We got belt moldings. We got everything you can imagine that comes off of your Tesla over here. We got, yeah, we're gonna really start putting things on. Want to tell y'all something really fun that went live last night. It's our resellables page. It went live on the website. It's a little bit incomplete, but we're going to be adding products every day, and we're going to be making sure the pictures, everything is complete. We have our new consumable private product line that you'll see on there. It's called Daily Driver. We got Feynlab for y'all to buy, a lot of different suspension, DIY stuff, whatever, we got it. It's live on austindetailing.com today. We're going to be making a lot of changes. Tomorrow we're going to be adding some things. It's going to be super awesome. Check it out, share, tell your friends, tell everybody about it. Yeah, let's get into it. Like the title said, baby, we are straight chilling. We're relaxing, maxing out, chilling, relaxing, doing all that bebopping, doing that. So, got this car right here. We switched out some tint. We switched out some PPF. 3-year-old Model 3. Super awesome. Car stays clean with Feynlab ceramic coatings. Up here in the urban room today, you know, this is one of my favorite vehicles, one of my favorite clients. We'll get into that in a minute. That thing. So, let's get over here. This is the Hispano owner's wife's car. He's my VIP client. Really amazing guy. We're finishing up all of their vehicles for the yearly maintenance. And for this right here, we do a really bespoke yearly maintenance. So whatever the car needs. This year we decided to come in, since we have picked changed films, and our film can actually make a couple different bends than the old film. We decided to change out this custom panel right here. Our previous film couldn't make the bend right here, so being a white car, you just had this really gnarly, just dirt gap, and it was just, nobody could stand it. We switched that out. We made the bend. That whole piece of trim is completely wrapped. It's super cool. We got Feynlab Self Heal Plus, thickest coating in the world on this guy. I think we're 3 years in. I haven't found a scratch. We've decontaminated it. We're gonna do a couple things, make it look brand new again, get that car rolling. We got this guy. Don't sue me, please. I'll flip it around later. So coming up in here, like I said, we're just straight chilling. We got the Caddy back in with them 4G autos. Round 2, 3. We're gonna do a couple other crazy little things on the inside. Stay tuned for that. Got a couple little fun ones right here. See, y'all been watching 4 or 5 weeks. You've been watching them all sitting there with circles. I've been fighting the insurance company. We're getting all the money that we need to make the car better than new before this damage happened from the hail. So got 2 hail cars right here. They're looking beautiful. First one right here, Melissa. Thanks to your patience, Melissa. This car is 3 years old too. Now we've already pushed all the dents. It was around $7,000. We've gotten approval for full car PPF to go back on the car. Got it going on right here. We're gonna put the coating, which is approved by insurance. We're putting that back on the car. Brand new hood, painting it, gonna put that on. Just gonna make the car look brand new again. You know, stick it on to hail. This guy is super awesome. Flies big old giant drones, like bigger than me. And really been a fun client to have. And, you know, he's helped us on some of the things that we need help on. And so this car was hammered worse than this car. Big old giant dents. Everything was the size of a quarter. It was probably, I don't know, I'd say 275 to 350 on the dents. We've come in after that. We've made the dents look brand new. All of those parts, they're all going to get their moldings today. Quarter glass. After we rip out the quarter glass, we got to re-tint the thing. While he's been in for hail damage, he's gotten full Madico black pearl nano ceramic tint on the sides and rear, front windshield. Another one of my favorites. It's kind of like my baby that we've come up with for that OEM Tesla color, but that rim was not like that. That satin Evo gray powder coat, powder's more durable than automotive paint, which that OEM's coming with. So super fire, really matches the car nicely. And then of course, yesterday we came in and we did a full front end PPF. So PremiumShield PPF, it's a clear 8mm stick, lifetime warranty. The clarity is to die for. Self-healing is gnarly. Like, see if we can, oh, we're actually getting scratches and then they go away with my fingernails. Yeah, all gone. Another example of trying to take things to the next level, getting back to this full car hail damage, is it's all about that one piece, baby. One piece. You know, this ain't Popeyes. You need 20 piece white meat. But we got right here, that's that one piece trunk. Making over 100-degree bend on an 8mm piece of film is very, very difficult. So therefore, takes a massive amount of custom film to get all the stretches right. We leave it overnight for 12 to 18 hours to let it kind of do its thing. We'll come back this morning and trim it up. But that car's coming along great. Insurance, it was a fun fight with both of them, but you know what? We're almost over. We're going to get everybody scheduled too in a timely manner. We got a lot of y'all. So thanks for y'all's patience. This client, awesome. I've spent about 10, 15 minutes with him. Really, really nice guy. It's his third car in 2 weeks. I think he's from the West Coast, Oregon something, or at least that's where we're buying these cars, but he likes to go buy one and then drive it all the way back. So beautiful color. No, we haven't done PremiumShield matte PPF yet on it. That's that factory paint job. So currently the car is in for, we switched out some rocker panels on his car yesterday, and then he dropped this one to us. But we're going to re-powder coat the rims. They're really tossed, chemically etched. We're going to take them to gloss black to really highlight the accents of that. And then we're going to coat them with Feynlab wheel and caliper when they come back. And we've already done those calipers. So looks super fire. We're in discussions about, you know, this factory matte paint. Really, if we'll just spend 10 seconds on it. The factory matte paint, say you get a door ding or you pop paint or you need paint right here. You have to pretty much paint almost 60% of this entire car to get this panel to be right. And how do you do it? You go ahead and you actually paint it all in gloss, let it chill out, bake out, and then you come matte clear the entire cleared whole car. So big deal to put matte PPF on top of a matte OEM paint job. Because of the price of a repair, you just can't like repaint a panel or a door, things like that. So I think we should have good luck here. It's an awesome M4, awesome client. Like I said, third car, 2 weeks. So we got the Wiz over here getting dirty town. Wiz got his new tattoo. So he's coming in right here. We're gonna really play with that one piece, make it look right. We let the mirrors sit overnight. Like I said, we're gonna make this car look beautiful. Man, look at those rims. Red calipers with that satin Evo gray. Super gnarly. And then, baby, we're gonna finish. You know what we're gonna finish on? We're gonna finish on the Wiz wagon. You know what? We were just talking to the Wiz. Dude shows up every day early. You know what I'm saying? That's why he's the wizard, bro. Wizard's stacking it and racking it. So what do we got right here? We got the Wiz wagon. Hey, Wiz wagon, what is this dude called again? I can never remember the color.
I can't remember the color either.
Yeah, who cares? It's this really shiny black, right? But anything was better than what the wagon looked like before. I'm not gonna lie. It's just kind of the one that we take to the grocery store in the rain, or if you want to go mudding. So that's the Whiz Wagon, man. This one, hopefully we can get this junker out of here. But you know what I'm saying? We got everything going. It's going to be a great week, baby. Everybody should go on vacation. You know, feel like you're at the beach. I feel like I smell like I'm at the beach. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all have a great week. Peace, love, Austin Detailing.